tíhíomh a cháirde tám arás arís le árán Zachar ella. Zachar béidir ach nua domsa fós godain. The song is called Cailín Crúite mBó, and it is an autumnal song, agus is sé in jobh an lá déirnach den saora, actually, the autumnal equinox. Agus is ihe álaní in Mhíbheán fór, so I thought it would be the perfect song for the occasion, for the night, for the day that's in it. So this is Cailín Crúite mBó. I've known the song for many years. I've been familiar with the air, godain, ach, never tried to learn it properly, mehain. So I'm going to invite you in on the process of putting a new song together. After, in Yia, the train passes. Okay, be right back. See you in a sec. Coffee, that truly sé chlog sa tróna. Should be illegal. Ach, agus tá an stáisiún train just innaca le macheach mar sin. Oh, both directions, yeah? Cailín. So, seo é Cailín Crúite mBó with a B-flat cello drone. So, in the key of B-flat, if you want to sing along, practice later. Tá bliain is níos mógam ag isteacht le cogar de líosach mó bheon ó casa lom grogheam moch léver Drá nó na beag déanach Savor. B melody. Bhí an bhómh anja cúra ag éimeach, is na hain le go maireach le cheol, is bhruach an trón le haimhtí. Nearly couldn't make it. Na haimhtím, bhí an Cailín Crúite mBó. Cailín. So I'm going to do the second verse, and I'm going to be more free with adding ornaments, just níos mú. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it a go. This is a new song for me, like I said, so just also figuring out phrasing and where to place breathing, breaths, where to place breaths. Okay. Am I worse at English? Definitely not worse, but maybe I just also can't speak English. Okay. Okay, can we fit the second verse in before the next train comes? It's a fun game. Tá súla mar lonra na gréine ag sceapa tre spere van hior is sterga grua na cuerha lasa mas creva na gnach. Tá sé an focal Dachar, tá an focal Dachar gnach. It's got the like uru agus just knock in itself, C-N-O-C, hill, but then add the uru, gnach, just tá sé, yeah, on the Acker. So, B melody. The train, like B melody. Tá Cailín níos mílte na sméartha, is scéile na leannacht as nó níl. Okay, lost the clarity in my voice up there. Agus tá mé an tuirseach, especially like muchlór. Been singing a lot, lots of gigs. So anyway, I'm gonna try that and try to connect it. The first time it was broken up, and the second verse I'm gonna try to connect it. So go over. Is scéile na leannacht as nó níl van níos deise sa tail seo. I think I can do it. Hang on. Bear with me. Is scéile na leannacht as nó níl van níos deise sa tail seo. Not this time. Lán Cailín Crúite mBó. So Sinead, sin an tower on Cailín das Crúite in mBó, little piece of biog of it. Agus, yeah, thanks for watching. Gur míle maithagad. Capam níl saoire heart fós, mar ma chuid grúige just is growing by the second, and that's kind of a summer thing, so that's still clearly happening. Anyway, ichioá, slán.